What's going on, guys? Dylan DeFazio here, and welcome to another Crypto Income Secrets video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a cool little secret, which is going to share the Binance platform, which if you don't know what Binance is, all Binance is an exchange. So what you can do is you can go on here, you can buy and sell altcoins, and it's one of the fastest growing altcoin exchanges currently. So it has, I think there's like tons and tons of pairs. And the other reason I like it is they have Ethereum pairs. So you can actually go out and you can trade Ethereum with a lot of other coins. And right now Ethereum is faster than Bitcoin, so that is a bonus. But what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video is how you can actually start stacking altcoins without actually ever buying them. Now that is very cool because as you guys see here, I got some Ripple, I got some Tron, which I didn't buy, I got some Verge, which I didn't buy, and this is growing very, very quickly. I have right now about 200,000 Satoshi, which is like $20 or something like that. I wanted to test the traffic out before I revealed the video, and as we see here, if I go over to my the Binance platform and we click on the referrals, so the cool thing about Binance is it has a referral program. So what you're going to do is you get the referral program for free when you get started, and all you need is this little link right here. So you're going to copy this link, and as you guys see here, latest commissions. I got 5 Tron from this person. I got 0.1 Verge from this person. I got 0.18 Verge from this person. So what this is going to do is when people actually, go out there and buy altcoins, which if you're not buying altcoins, you really should be, because you can make a lot of money with altcoins very, very quickly, and it doesn't take very much effort. With Bitcoin, imagine if you were to buy Bitcoin back when it was, 50 cents or $1, right? And just to hold on to it. So what this is going to do is that it's going to do that on autopilot, but it's going to do that with coins people are buying. So all you have to do is simply, click the link below. I'll have it step by step. Step number 1, click the link, set up your Binance account, right? Step number 2, you want to set up your Add BTC account. Okay, now why are we using Add BTC and not, Bing or anything like that? So if I go to a site called similarweb.com, and I'm just going to use BitConnect as an example because it's my favorite platform. So if I go bitconnect.co, okay, so this is going to show me how much traffic BitConnect gets, etc., all that fun stuff. Okay, so as we see here, 33.7 million, United States, Russia, Vietnam, all that fun stuff, 48% referrals. But when we scroll down here as this page loads, let me just see here, top referring sites, okay? AddBTC.top gives 50% of the traffic, okay? 50% of the traffic to bitconnect.co doesn't come from referrals, doesn't come from Facebook, doesn't come from YouTube, it comes from Add BTC, okay? So we're going to be using Add BTC and their surf ads. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting ourselves in front of these, crypto clients. And what they're going to do, now I've been using this platform for a while. If we go through, I have like a bunch of referrals in it. I did videos before. I have 123 referrals. But the reasoning behind that is I went through and I've been testing it. I wanted to figure out what traffic was going to convert with, or what system was going to convert with this traffic. Now I've tried, free Bitco, I've set up funnels, I've done all of this, and nothing converts as good as the Binance program. So as you guys see here, I've only got like 26 clicks today. I've already got 10 new signups, and they're already starting to buy altcoins. Now the cool thing is when they continue to buy altcoins, when they sell altcoins and stuff like that, you're going to continue to receive commissions. So what we're going to be doing with this is all you have to do is simply click on deposit. So once you set up your Add BTC account, you're just going to click on deposit, and you can send however much you want. As you guys see here, I've sent 145 thousand Satoshi, 135, 130, 130. So I am investing. I am putting my own money. Now, I don't recommend you invest, invest with caution, right? I'm not telling you where to invest. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. And if you guys want to follow along, you're more than welcome to. So what I'm doing is I'm taking, some Bitcoin, maybe I got some Bitcoin just hanging out in my wallet or whatever. I'm going to send it over to my deposit address. So in Add BTC, you're just going to click on deposit. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your advertising balance. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure you go down to advertise surf ad. This is very important. I want you to pay very close attention to this part. It is very important. So you want to only use surf ads. Don't use auto surfing. Don't use surfing in active window. Use surf ad. These two, they have terrible conversions, and I would not recommend doing it. Surf ad is the favorite that I've used so far, and that's the only one I use. I don't use anything else. As you guys see here, I only have one campaign because all of this traffic is going to one place, and it's going to my Binance referral link. To get your Binance referral link, all you have to do, log into your back office, click on the Binance button at the top. It's going to load the page up. And then up here at the top, there'll be the Binance referral program. Simply click on that. It's going to open up a new page. And as you guys see here, number one, 64 Bitcoin, right? That's a lot of Bitcoin. 64 Bitcoin in commissions, okay? 64 Bitcoin in commissions. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our Binance referral link. So we're going to copy that. And then we're going to go over here, and I'm just going to show you my ad so that when you guys go to set it up. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on Start New Campaign. What's going to happen is a page that looks like this. Oh, I can't edit it while someone is viewing the ad. So let me just go over here. I'll just start a new campaign and show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So all we're going to do is we're going to paste our link in here. We're going to leave the base price at 5 Satoshi. Right? If you want to up it, you can up it. I leave mine at 5 and I leave mine at 15 seconds. Right? If you want to take it to 30 seconds, you can. Maybe I'll do one. Maybe I'll test this out at 30 seconds. Right? Do testing. It helps. So what I want to do is I'm just going to write a simple thing here. So the best exchange. This is what I wrote. The best altcoin exchange for 2018. Right? I recommend using something different because my ad is currently running this. So if we go and everybody uses the same thing, nobody's going to get conversions. So think of something. It doesn't need to be, crazy hard. Just type, Binance, the best altcoin exchange, or how to get free altcoins, or whatever you want to use. Write that in there as the description. And then what I want you to do, this is very important as well, is I want you to go down to number 5. Now, if you do 5, you're going to get traffic very, very quickly. It's not going to be too quick, but you're still going to get traffic very quickly. The higher you go up, the less traffic you're going to get. If you do show to all, you're going to get very low par traffic. You're going to get, freebie seekers, right? We don't want those. We want people that are actually going to invest money. So what I recommend doing is doing 5 points or 10 points. If you do 10 points, the traffic's going to be very, very slow. What I'm currently using is 5 points. Now, what does this mean? Every time somebody invests, you're going to get a rating. Okay, as you see right here, my rating is 2,300. So my rating is very, very high because I invest a lot. I've put in a lot of money into this site, and I continue using it because it gets me referrals for pretty much anything I use. Okay. So this is a very simple way for anybody to get started, and you can start stacking altcoins just simply using this method. You can go out there, you can put in 100,000 Satoshi or 50,000 Satoshi, whatever you want, and just test it out. See if you get some referrals. See if they start buying things on the Binance platform. But what I'm sharing with you right now is in less than 24 hours, with not even, I had 300,000. So not even like 90,000 Satoshi, which is nothing. It's not even like $10. I was able to get 10 referrals and 4,000 Satoshi. Okay. But the cool thing is the 4,000 Satoshi isn't in Bitcoin. It's in altcoins. So what I can then do is, say I watch everything on my phone, right? Say Tron was to have a big jump, right? And I wanted to sell my Tron, I would make more profit, right? Say Verge was to have a big jump, I would make more profit. So the whole goal with this is to go out there and get, 50, 60, 70, 100 plus referrals that are all on the Binance platform, that are all buying altcoins, and you're going to get commissions around the clock. So that's very, very cool. And that's what I'm going to be doing over the next little while. So my main focus is to get as many altcoins as I can. And this is a very, very simple but cool way to start getting altcoins. So again, what we want to do is we want to go through, we want to set up our Binance platform, right? I'll just give you a quick little recap before I end the video. Set up our Binance platform, click on the Binance referral link, right? Grab your Binance referral link and then head over to Add BTC, right? Deposit however much you want. That's at your own discretion. Deposit however much you want to use for advertising. And then come down to advertise, click on surf ad. Set up your Binance referral link in there, 5 Satoshi per view, 15-second duration. You can up those if you want more views. If you want to go to 30 seconds, you're more than welcome. Set up a short description, and then make sure when you're don't do show to all, do 5 points and above. All right, that'll get rid of the freebie seekers so that your traffic doesn't just get burned, right? If you have it on show to all, you'll go through your budget really, really quickly, but you won't get very many signups, okay? So what you want to make sure is it's 5 and above. So go through that and then hit start campaign, click on start after approving, and then click on start campaign. And that's going to set you up with your very own campaign. Now, once you guys start seeing this and start getting some referrals, what I want you to do is simply, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and then drop a comment down below if this is working for you. All right, if you guys went through and you followed the steps that I showed you and you started to get some referrals and those referrals started to buy some altcoins, make sure, just leave a comment down below. I'll help you guys if you have any questions. And again, thank you for watching. Now remember, the first link in the description is my crypto freedom page. I've set this page up in specific to help you guys get started with cryptocurrency, okay? Inside of this page, what's going to happen is I'm going to show you how to set up your passive Bitcoin system. I'm going to show you how to start earning Bitcoin for free. I'm going to show you how to multiply your income using my free duplicatable system. And I'm also going to show you and walk you through how to set that system up.
And then do something very...
All right, so I'm going to show you from A to Z how to go from complete newbie to investing into cryptocurrency, earning 1 to 2% every single day. So if you guys want to get access to that, that will be the first link in the description below. That is my crypto freedom page, and I will be coming out on a video possibly later tonight or tomorrow. I did do a live stream, but it was really, really laggy. So I want to do a quick video walking through the system, what you're going to get, how you can make money with it, just like a brief little overview. So stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button if you like the content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a great day, and Happy New Year.